Dear students, for the class 9th, our today's topic is linear equation in two variable. So the first of all, the linear equation. The definition of linear equation is an equation whose degree is 1 are called linear equation. It may be the one variable, it may be in the two variable. But the word linear in the linear equation, an equation whose degree should be 1. Degree means maximum power of variable should be 1. Here the linear equation in two variable. So the definition is an equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where x and y are variable and a, b and c are constant. These are the constant values. Where a, b and c are real numbers. It may be rational or irrational, such that a and b are not both 0. Both are not equal to 0. Is called a linear equation in two variable. For example, 2x plus 3y equal to 10 equal to 0. X plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. In both the example, x and y are variable. Here 2, 3 and 10 is the value of a, b and c. In the second equation, a equal to 1, b equal to 3 and c equal to 10. So this is the definition of linear equation. Next, the solution. Solution means those values of x and y satisfying this equation is called the solution. So a linear equation in two variable has infinite many solution, because infinite many points are lying on the lying on the graph of the linear equation in two variable. So every point lying on this line are called the solution. The graph of a linear equation in two variable is a straight line. It is always a straight line. For this type of, these are the graph of the linear equation is a straight line. Next, if we plotting these points on a Cartesian plane, so in a Cartesian plane, horizontal line is also a straight line and vertical line is also a straight line. So x-axis, the equation of x-axis is y equal to 0 and equation of y-axis is x equal to 0, because here a condition, every point lying on x-axis whose y coordinate is 0 and every point lying on y-axis whose x coordinate is 0. So the equation of x-axis is y0 and equation of y-axis is x0. Similarly, for the parallel condition, equation of a line parallel to x-axis, for the parallel to x-axis, this equation. Here this line is a fixed distance from the x-axis, so which is a constant, so it's equivalent to b. Then y equal to b is the equation of line parallel to x-axis, and x equal to a is the equation of line parallel to y-axis. For this line is parallel to y-axis. Next, we will take some practice question for this chapters. First question is, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen, and write a linear equation in two variable to represent this statement. Here the two variables are given. One is for the cost of a notebook and another is the cost of a pen. So first of all, we assume that let the cost of a notebook be rupees x and cost of a pen be rupees y. So x and y is the two variable, and we can arrange this statement in the form of a linear equation in two variable. So according to the question, here a condition is given. Cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So x is the cost of notebook, and which is double to the y. So 2 is multiplied in y. So x equal to 2y. Transpose 2y in the LHS. So x minus 2y equal to 0 is the required equation. Second question is, express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the standard linear equation in two variables, and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. The first case is 2x plus 3y equal to 9.35 bar. So the solution of first question is, convert this equation in the form of this. So 2x plus 3y and transpose 9.35 bar, to minus 9.35 bar equal to 0. This is the in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here a equal to 2, b equal to 3 and c equal to minus 9.35 bar. In the second question, x minus y upon 5 minus 10 equal to 0. To take the LCM upon 1 and 1, its LCM is 5. So 5x minus y and 5 into 10 is 50 equal to 0. Again cross multiplied it. So 5 into 0 is 0. 5x minus y minus 50 equal to 5 into 0 is 0. This is the equation 5x minus y minus 50 equal to 0 in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here the value of a equal to 5, b equal to minus 1 and c equal to minus 50. Next question is 5 equal to 2x. Transpose 5 on this side. So 0 equal to 2x minus 5. And again we can write in this form 2x plus 0y minus 5 equal to 0. This in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here a equal to 2, b equal to 0 and c equal to minus 5. Here b equal to 0 and our condition is a and b both are not equal to 0. One may be 0. So this is the satisfying our definition of linear equation. In exercise 4.2, our first question is, which one of the following option is true and why? Our equation is y equal to 3x plus 5. Y equal to 3x plus 5 is a linear equation in two variable, and this linear equation in two variable has a unique solution, only two solution, or infinite many solution. So the third option is correct. And why the third option is correct? Because the linear equation has infinite many solution, and 3x plus 5 equal to y. So transpose y in this side, 3x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. This is the linear equation in two variable, and linear equation in two variable has linear equation in two variable has infinite many solution, because those points are set lying on this linear equation is called the solution of this equation. Next question is also related for this. Write the four solution of this equation. This equation have infinite many solution. but here we will find the four solution for this equation. First equation is 2x plus y equal to 7. For this equation, here we will find four solution. To make a table in this form, x and y. Put the values of x in this equation for your choice, and corresponding for these values you can find the values of y. So first of all, put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0 in this equation. Then 2 into 0 plus y equal to 7. 2 into 0 is 0. 0 plus y is y, and y equal to 7. So 0, 7 is the first solution. Next, you can put the values of 1, minus 1 as your choice. Put x equal to minus 1. Then 2 into minus 1 plus y equal to 7. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus y equal to 7. And y equal to 7 plus 2. And y equal to 9. On the values of minus 1, y equal to 9. Similarly, for find x equal to 1, put x equal to 1. Then 2 into 1 plus y equal to 7. Then 2 plus y equal to 7. And y equal to 7 minus 2 is 5. On the corresponding value of x equal to 1, its value is 5. One another value, if we can put the x equal to 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2. Again put x equal to 2. Put x equal to 2. Then 2 into 2 plus y equal to 7. 2 into 2 is 4 plus y equal to 7. And y equal to 7 minus 4, which is 3. These are the four solutions for this equation. Similarly, in this equation, x equal to 4y, we can find the four solutions. Put the values of x as your choice. Put x equal to 0, then y equal to 0. Put x equal to 1. Then in place of x equal to 4y, then in place of x, put 1 equal to 4y, then cross multiply it. 1 by 4 is y. 1 by 4 is 0.25. Yeah, we can put in this form 1 by 4 also. We can put the values of y also. If put y equal to 1, then x equal to 4 into 1 is x equal to 4. If we put y equal to 1, then x equal to 4. If we can put y equal to 2, then x equal to 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is 8. If we put y equal to 2, then x equal to 8. So these are the four solutions for this equation x equal to 4y. Our third question is, check which of the following are the solution of this equation and which are not. Our equation is x minus 2y equal to 4. This is the given equation, and we can check the solution 0, 2, 2, 0, 4, 0, root 2 and 4 root 2, and 1 and 1. So the first option is 0, 2. Put the values of x and y in this equation, and if it is satisfied, then it is a solution. So in the LHS part, Here LHS is x minus 2y. Put the values of x 0, minus 2 into values of y is 2. So 0 and 2 into 2 is minus 2 into 2 is 4, but it is minus 4. And here the RHS is 4. So LHS is not equal to the RHS. Then it is not a solution. So 0, 2 is not a solution of x minus 2y equal to 4. Second question is 2, 0. Put x in the LHS. Put the x equal to 2, x minus 2y. Then x equal to 2 and y equal to 0. Then the LHS is 2. And here the RHS is 4. Then similarly LHS is not equal to RHS. Then 2, 0 is not a solution of the given equation. Third part is 4, 0. Put x equal to 4 and y equal to 0. X minus 2y. Put x equal to 4 and y equal to 0. Then it is 4. And here the RHS is also 4. So both are equal. Therefore 4, 0 is a solution of the given equation. The fourth option is root 2 and 4 root 2. In the LHS, put x equal to root 2 and y equal to 4 root 2. Here 4 2s are 8 root 2. And root 2 minus 8 root 2 is minus 7 root 2. Plus minus is minus, and whose difference is 7. And the sign of greater number is negative, so minus 7 root 2. And here the RHS is 4. And LHS is not equal to the RHS. So therefore root 2 4 root 2 is not a solution of given equation. The last option is 1 1. To put the in the LHS, put x equal to 1 and y also 1. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1 and RHS is 4. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore 1 1 is not a solution of the given equation. Our next question is, this is the last question of this exercise, and find the values of k. Here k is a constant, and find the values of k if x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is a solution of this equation. For the solution of this equation, here the x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is a solution, then solution satisfying this equation. So x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to k. Therefore it is satisfying this equation. So put the values of x and y in this equation. Put the x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 in this equation. So 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3 equal to k. and 4 plus 3 is 7 equal to k, and then k equal to 7. So on the values of 7 in the equation, if the equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 7, then it is a solution of this equation. So the values of k equal to 7 is the answer.